everyone, let's explore the rip command in Fusion 360. To access the rip command, select the create menu and you will find the rip command. Now let's look at how the rip command works with an example. Imagine you have a part that requires added strength along specific edges or faces. This is where the rip command comes in handy. First, select the rip command. Now select a sketch profile to use as the profile. Now let's explore the settings available in the rip command dialog box. You can specify the thickness of the rip, choose between symmetric or one-sided rip types, choose between to next or distance, and flip the rip along the profile. After configuring the settings, simply hit the OK button to apply the rip to your model. You can create various designs by changing the shape of the profile. Thank you everyone.